Big Short legend Michael Burry just hinted the mother of all crashes would take S&P 500 to this level. WTF, really? We have oil went up to 3.7% back to $90 a barrel again. The reason we will get into in a minute. US dollar keeps making new highs. It reached above 110 on DXY on Monday morning. We have Michael Burry just hinted the stock market collapse he predicted is starting soon. You wouldn't believe which level he said S&P 500 could plummet to before bottoming out. We also have the reason why oil price jumped today. It's because Russia just switched off Europe's main gas line until sanctions are lifted. Doomsday is here. Can it get any worse than this? Probably yes. Stay close. This one is cold and dark, like the winter that will be upon us. And of course, smash the like button. Welcome back everyone to my Audacious Money Witch channel, where we talk about macroeconomy, stocks, bonds, and commodity markets. If you like any of these markets, consider subscribing to my channel. It's free, and of course, tap the like button. It's totally free to do so if you like what you see in today's video. Legendary Michael Burry said mother of all crashes for a reason. He is not saying that will only happen in the United States. Mother of all crashes means crashes from around the world, global synchronized crashes. Hope you enjoy this video as always. And all I ask in return is that you share it on your socials to help out the YouTube channel in a massive way. Also, it lets me know that you guys enjoyed the video today like this, where we go actually really in depth on why Michael Burry is betting on this mother of all crashes, meaning global synchronized crashes. Russia's gas supplies to Europe via Nord Stream 1 pipeline will be halted indefinitely until Europe, UK, and Canada lift sanctions against Moscow over its invasion of Ukraine. This caused European natural gas prices crashed up another 36% on Monday. European natural gas prices have crashed up more than 300% this year. Europe got around 24% of its energy from natural gas in 2020. The decision from Russia came shortly after G7's announcement to initiate a price cap on Russian oil. The energy war has therefore escalated further. Yes, they are using energy as a weapon, and what an effective weapon it is, because we all need energy in our economies. No energy, no production, no growth, really plain and simple. What are the likely cases they could fold and turn back and resume into an expanding economy, or are they likely to further contract and maybe, if they are lucky, only have a recession, but likely seeing a depression coming in the coming winter? Gazprom, the Russian natural gas company that shut down Europe's gas, just declared a record dividend. Western investors won't receive it because their shares were frozen by sanctions and Russia was banned from the global payment system. Now German industries started to shut down factories as they struggled to cope with soaring energy prices. Germany's economy minister said Germany's industrial producers have been trying to slash gas consumption by switching to alternative fuels like coal and wood, reducing output, but he said some had to stop production altogether. Then people are going to be out of a job. How are they going to heat their homes during the winter? Now we have Belgian companies shutting down due to high energy prices too. The gas price in Belgium is 10 times higher than in the US, meaning those employees are out of a job too. Belgium's prime minister has warned the country faces long-term economic hardship due to soaring energy costs. The next 5 to 10 winters will be hard to bear. That is their new normal. We have these tweets from UK. My mom owns a small cafe in Leicester. Her electricity bill has just jumped from £10,000 a year to £55,000 a year. She is working out her options, but more than likely she will be forced to close. Arrived at work tonight to be told we might have to shut the shop down. Last week the electric bill came in 10 times dearer today. The gas came in from £900 to £10,058.59. It's a small family-run business here since 1982. This would be tragic. We have China's 2 banks declared bankruptcy. State-run banks freeze people's bank cards, limiting daily withdrawals or spending up to $200, all because of digital Chinese dollar yuan system is corrupted into a Ponzi scheme, where the banking executive, which huge room for misappropriation of funds. The bank took new money to cover the old money that came in before, when the real estate bubbles burst like Evergrande and others defaulted. Less new money came in, but the old money had to be paid for and settled, so those banks started to blow up one after another. Now you probably have a deeper understanding of this global synchronized crashes, which Michael Burry referred to as the mother of all crashes. Big Short investor Michael Burry warned the biggest market bubble in history would end with mother of all crashes. He just hinted the collapse is now underway. Michael Burry indicated that the stock market collapse he predicted is now underway. The Big Short investor joked that his followers are still asking him when the crash is coming. Burry has suggested the S&P 500 could plummet by another 53% before bottoming out. Michael Burry sounded the alarm on the greatest speculative bubble of all time in all things last summer and cautioned investors buying into the hype that they were headed for the mother of all crashes. Doomsday is finally here, he hinted in a since-deleted tweet this week. The fund manager of the Big Short fame shared a screenshot of the S&P 500 chart showing the benchmark stock market index has tumbled 18% from its December peak, despite several blistering rallies this year. And yet I keep getting asked when crash. He tweeted, poking fun at some of his followers' poor spelling and underlining his view that the market collapse is underway. Burry suggested in Monday that the S&P 500 could drop as low as 1,900 points or another 53% over the next few years, based on how past crashes have played out. Moreover, he dismissed the rebounds in stocks this year as bear market rallies or dead cat bounces temporarily deprives along the road to inevitable disaster. The Scion Asset Management chief's stance seems to be that the market doom is over, stocks are headed downward, and any rallies would prove short-lived. Jeremy Grantham, another doomsaying investor and market historian, also shrugged off the recent upturn in stocks as a bear market rally in a new research note titled Entering the Super Bubble's Final Act. Like Burry, he warned an unprecedentedly dangerous mix of hugely overpriced assets, commodity price shocks, and a Federal Reserve intent on curbing inflation by cooling the economy. Each cycle is different and unique, but every historical parallel suggests that the worst is yet to come, Grantham said. Burry is best known for his staring role in The Big Short, which chronicled his billion-dollar bet against the U.S. housing bubble in the mid-2000s. He also bought a stake in the GameStop before the video game retailer became the ultimate meme stock and bet against Elon Musk's Tesla and Cathie Wood's ARK Invest last year. The investor set alarm bells ringing in August when he revealed that he virtually liquidated his U.S. stock portfolio in the second quarter of this year. Scion, which owned 11 stocks worth $165 million at the end of March, only held a 3.3 million position in a single stock 3 months later. If you are worried about the economy heading into depression, why not write a book today with me? Become an author and start your brand new life with an abundance mindset. As an entrepreneur, you can create your own future and decide how much money you want to make. And no more worries about your boss's painful comments or ridiculous orders. What do you want to say to your boss right now? A big shout out for Taddy, Baddy, Canada's #1 female rapper. I recently had the pleasure of meeting her, and this is her CD. She is on Spotify, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Please go check out her music today. She is so incredible, and her music's incredible. She also bought my client Teddy Eazzy's new book, Wicked Pussy Perfume. So I will show you his book right now. So this is my client Teddy Eazzy's book. It's an erotic series, and it's called Wicked Pussy Perfume. It's so incredible. Love fades, lust multiplies exponentially. Love is overrated and lust is underexplored. Love is a lie made up to sell engagement rings and home mortgages, and lust is the truth. I am your goddess. So that is just a sneak peek. Please order your copy today. Go and place your order today before you forget and get busy with something else. You won't be sorry. This one is so incredible. Okay? I just want to show you a close-up of it. So the cover is amazing, and the back you will see once you order it. So I'm not even going to show you the back part. The back part is a surprise. Another one of my clients' books, Lee Vincent, The 3 Most Important Influencers You Need to Meet. I did write the foreword in this book. This is my clients David Vine and Jama's new book, Ignite the Passion, Co-Create Your Dreams. So incredible, this one. And my book, Gratitude is Glitter for Your Mind. So please order your copy today. This one, I've sold so many copies of this one. I really love the picture on the front. It's just like an abstract. So I'll get you to zoom in. It's just so amazing. I love this one. So I'm going to read some. We must train our minds to see the good in every day so we won't gamble our life and dreams away. True winners keep working on their dreams until they get it right. You can do anything if you truly believe in yourself. So this one is Gratitude is Glitter for Your Mind. Yes, this one helps with anxiety and depression. So it's helped so many people with anxiety and depression. All my customers say that it does help with anxiety and depression. So, so order your copy today. And A Crazy Little Thing Called Life. This one is a bestseller, and I'm going to read some. And this one is my book, too. It is one of my bestsellers. So you could be grateful for your senses, your nose that smells, your skin that enables you to feel, your eyes that see, your mouth that tastes for you. You could be grateful for the legs that you have to walk with, your 2 hands that you use to do almost everything, and your voice that communicates with others. You could give thanks for your amazing immune system that keeps you well, and all your organs in your body that are functioning for you. So this one is A Crazy Little Thing Called Life. I'm going to read one more here. This is when we finally wake up and chase our incredible dreams, and we help others to chase theirs all too. Every single person comes into the amazing world with a specific destiny. So please order your copy today. And Mystic Falls, Build Yourself a Legacy. This one is a bestseller too. I really love the wolf on the front, and it is my book, this one. The great, magnificent mystery is now revealed. Whoever will be given more, and he will have more abundance. Whoever does not have, even what he has will be taken from him. You have to admit that when you read that message, it appears unjust, and it seems to be saying that the rich will get richer and the poor will get poorer. But there is a riddle to be solved in this message, a magical mystery to uncover, and when you know it, a new amazing world will open for you. The answer to the riddle that has been for so many centuries is in a magic word. And the magic word is inside this book. So I'm not going to actually tell you what the magic word. So it is in the book, Mystic Falls, Build Yourself a Legacy. And you'll have to find out what that magic word is. So please order your copy today. So I thank you all for watching my Audacious Money Witch channel today. I thank you for being a fan. And I also remember, whether you're investing or trading, always practice patience with an abundance mindset. There always is an opportunity ahead, and never FOMO. So please like my video today, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share it with your family and friends, and I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!